Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the channel. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In today's video, I am going to be giving you all a sneak peek of the new McCall's Fall Pattern Collection 2023. As of today is September the 8th, 2003. The collection is not live on the website. So if you're watching this in a week or two, it may be live, but as of today, it is not live. So this is a true little sneak peek for you. I'm not going to show the full collection because I do still want you to go to the website and have your, have all those moments. I don't want to take anything away from that, but I am just going to share with you all a few here today. That way you know a collection is coming. I do think it'll be live maybe within the next week. So definitely make sure that you stay tuned to the social media accounts, the IG, the Facebook, as well as if you're not on the newsletter, sign up because they do let you know when the new collections are live on Simplicity. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The first pattern up is McCall's 8429. This is a vintage 70s authentic pattern reproduction by Laura Ashley. I think it is so cute. Honestly, when I first looked at it, I was like, okay, this would be really nice for spring and summer. But I did take a peek at the back and they have one of the fabric recommendations as a lightweight corduroy. So you could probably get away with this for fall as well, depending on what climate you live in. And I originally thought this was a dress. It's a top and a skirt. So you can definitely make this pattern for fall, make the skirt out of a corduroy, the top out of a corduroy. Depending on the climate where you live at, you may want to just pop on a turtleneck up under it, maybe a nice overcoat. Yes, and what I love about it is that this will easily transition into spring or summer, so you can get a lot of wear out of this pattern here. The sewing level for this pattern is rated as easy, so that's good to know. For fabrics, you can make this out of chambray, challis, cotton blends, lightweight corduroy, lightweight cotton, as well as linen. For sizes, the sizes go up from an 8 to a 26. I love it. Again, the pattern number is McCall's 8429. I forgot to tell y'all, grab your pens, your paper, your notebooks, and your pencils. Go ahead and jot down these numbers. Next up is McCall's 8440. I absolutely love this. This is a unisex jacket. The sewing level is rated as average. You can make this out of nylon, ripstop, and twill. You also need some lining fabrics as well. But I just love this. I love the contrasting. I love the colors that they chose. I love all the pocket variations on it. Again, all the color blocking. One of the views has a hood on it. I'm here for it. If you're looking for a nice jacket pattern, a unisex jacket pattern that has some nice detailing, some nice stitching lines that'll make it really easy for you to contrast, have some fun pockets, a nice hood. For upcoming season, definitely check out McCall's 8440. And all the sizes are in here. It's from extra small to extra, extra large. I love this one. Next up are probably my two favorites because I didn't even know I wanted this until I saw it and I was like, I want that. They're two vintage patterns, vintage 90s. The fact that I just said vintage 90s is wild to me. But I said it. Okay, vintage 90s. We have McCall's 8432. This is a vintage pattern, authentic reproduction. This is Mrs. Pants. Tell me these pants are not trending right now. Tell me these pleated trouser pants are not trending right now. They are. They absolutely are. And I'm in love with this pattern. I think it's just so fabulous and chic. The models are definitely giving the 90s vibe, and I love that. I love, love, love that so much. So I'm really excited about this pattern. What really makes this pattern amazing, you can have the straight leg pant or the stirrup. Yes, come on, 90s. I absolutely love. I love all the pleats. I love the pockets. And what I really am noticing is that it's not a fly front zipper. It's elastic. Because the notions have you getting two waistband hook and eyes, elastic, and a purchased belt. Doesn't say anything about a zipper for a flat front zipper. So I'm really, really excited about that. You get that comfort, you get that style, and you get that 90s look. So this is really, really nice. Again, this is Mrs. Pants. This is rated as easy. You can make this out of lightweight wool and wool blends, corduroy, wool crepes, and wool double knits. It also has on here for challis, cotton knits, as well as jersey. So you have a lot of fabric options for this pattern. And I'm just excited. For sizing, it goes from an 8 to a size 24. I'm excited. If you are excited about this one as much as I am, and again, this pattern number is McCall's 8432. If you are excited about this one as much as I am, McCall's 8433 is the jackets. It's the 90s vintage, authentic reproduction Mrs. Jacket. I am in love. I am in love with these two patterns, y'all. I really, really am. The shoulder pads are up. You understand what I'm saying? They are up in this jacket. They are a moment in this jacket. I just love it so much. This pattern is rated as average. For fabrics, you can use a brocade, challis, corduroy, cotton, cotton blends, denim, medium weight linens, as well as suede, velveteen, wool, wool blends. You also need some lining. So again, you have a lot of fabric options for this pattern. The sizing is from size 8 through 24, and I love it. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. It's just so, it's so 90s. This together is so 90s. I love it. If you're gonna be getting these two vintage patterns, please let me know below. Again, this one here for the Mrs. Jackets is McCall's 8433. For the Mrs. Pants, the vintage pattern is McCall's 8432. I mean, if you're gonna get one, you gotta get the other, right? I mean, they're a set. They come together, basically. Next up is McCall's 8435. I love it. I'm so excited about this one. I'm also excited because this is also available, the same style in a Mrs. pattern. So if you need the smaller size range, these same styles are available. This one here is available in sizes 20W through 38W. It's rated as average on their sewing level scale. And for fabrics, this is a women's knit dress. So you're gonna need some knit fabric. On the back, they have cotton knit, interlock, ponte, rib knit. I love it. I love the contrasting on this. I think it's just so, I love it. I love it. I know Vogue kind of has a jacket that's very similar to this. I have that pattern, but if you want it in the dress form and you want it in a knit, McCall's has you covered with M8435. Again, this is women's sizes. They do have it available in the Mrs. pattern envelope as well. Next up, I am loving this pattern here. This is a men's jacket and pants. I think this is so nice. I think my husband would actually like this and appreciate this. But this is rated as average on their sewing level scale. And this is suggested fabrics is athletic knits, French terry, and interlock. So you have a lot of color blocking options here. The piping detailing, like you can do a lot and have a lot of fun with this. So again, this pattern is McCall's 8441. The last pattern that I'm gonna share with you all is McCall's 8438. And it's also available in McCall's 8439. So we have the same styles, but we have it in Mrs. as well as in women's. This one here is a Mrs. coat and vest. Yes, we love that. It is rated as average on their sewing level scale. And for fabrics, you can use boil wool, flannel, wool blends, and wool flannel. You will also need some lining fabrics. I think this is just perfect for fall. I think it's so cute. I know you may be looking at this pattern thinking it's just the front, the back, and the sleeve, but the line drawings have so many beautiful lines on it. And it also looks like it has pockets along the front, belt loops along the back, and you also have a tie. So I really do like this coat. I do like the little details that they added to it. So if you're looking for a nice coat or vest for fall, check out McCall's 8438 and McCall's 8439 if you need it in the larger size. Again, this is the women's. Same style, this is just the women's envelope here. Well, that is all for the video. I really do hope that you all enjoyed seeing just a sneak peek of a few of the patterns in the new McCall's Fall Collection 2023. Again, like I said at the beginning of the video, at the time of me filming this today, September 8, 2003, the patterns are not live. They will be coming up live on the website within the next week. So definitely make sure that you're tuning in again to the social channels and visiting simplicity.com. I hope that you all enjoyed the video. Let me know down below the numbers that you wrote down. And I will see you all in the next video. Blessings, everyone. Bye.